Hi, today we're going to be taking on box review at M.A.D. M.A.D. bots. Sidebud Breakout. What was the breakout of their crates? So it shows a little sound, says realistic sounds and movement, berries included. 12 buds to cut. So there's 12 of them to cut. Catch the glow in the dark, radioactive. So which bud would you catch? So there's only 3 different types. There's spider, beetle, and steambot, which is a scorpion. Don't know why they don't say scorpion. They just say stinger. So pretty much you sit down, you push the button, you wait a couple minutes or so, and then it breaks out the little caves that's trying to cut. So they're all going to be the same. Scorpion, spider, and beetle, but there's 3 for each team. So level 1, what they're saying control room 1, is the stealth. So the black ones. Control room 2 is the radioactive, which is, the ones that glow in the dark, so that might be cool. Control room 3 is the prototypes, which actually, I kind of hope I get the prototype one, especially the beetle. Now, it doesn't matter if I get the beetle in this one, in control room 2, the glow in the dark one, but definitely, I would really love to have the prototype version. Fine, control room 4 is the metallic, or the gold metallic one, but you don't know which one you're going to get in the box. So it's a blind box. There's 4 different teams to cut, and it's 3 from each team. So 3, 3, 3, 3. Black, glow in the dark blue, red and white, prototypes, and black and gold metallic. So yeah. And then back here they kind of tell you, like, okay, that's how you replace batteries. It takes 3 LR44 batteries, which is a 1.5 volts. So yeah. So let's open it up and take a look at our bots here. So we do get instructions. Here's what the case says. It does say M.A.D bots on there. It says turn over. Do not press button yet. Remove the cable tie and the tab from the bottom first. So you do gotta cut that cable tie and then remove that before you can push the button. But before we do that, let's take a look at the little instruction manual. So it kind of shows you a little bit each one here. So I know it's not too good on camera here, but that's Sting, which is Scorpion, Spider, and Beetle, where you replace the berries at. Here you can see them a little bit better, what the Spider's supposed to look like, the Scorpion, which they're calling Sting, and the Beetle. Like how to do it. Remove tab, cut the strip, put a strip out, turn it over, yada yada yada. Let's go ahead and get this thing actually going here. So I'm actually going to cut this first. Pull that out. Now we're going to pull the tab here. Let's see. Try to peel this the door. Whoops. Hey, my little cat, Mrs. She wants to go and see what's going on here. Because she always brings a package or a bag. It's always treats? Food? No, go. Come on, get off the table. Come on. Off the table. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, if you notice this, the little button here almost looks like a Transformers Autobots symbol. So yeah, we're going to push it, and I don't know how long it's going to take to wait, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa! So, approximately something around 11 seconds before it breaks on out of there. So we did get control room number 4, which is the metallic one. And metallic spider from control room number 4. This is what it looks like. Not that bad. So there's where you put the berries at. And there is a little on and off switch down here. That's what makes the little wheels move and the legs. But yeah. Now can you put them back in there? Maybe. So I just turned it back on, no activation sound. But now if I push on this little body here. So after you turn it on, it won't go anymore. See where this bit M is? Well, kind of like the whole brat section right here. Push that down, and then that's how you reactivate it. Which is what this was essentially doing. Right in here. When you push down that. That was pushing down on that. So can you put them back in the case to make them bust out again? Maybe. Let's turn it back on. Let's kind of get in there. It's closed. Now it doesn't super close. It kind of stays semi-closed, but let's wait for it. And whoa! So yeah, you can put it back in the box. You could leave it on, but it doesn't lock. Like, see. I feel that there should have been some tabs here to lock it in place, but yeah. Just make sure the wheels are on that little track there, and these little notches are on the side. And then like I was saying, when you push the button, that's what pushes down on that button to get it to activate. But yeah, not that bad, kind of cool actually. So yeah, that has been a little unboxing review of M.A.D. Bots Cybud Brightout. So I kind of put the word cyborg and bud, cybud, Brightout. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.